everyone. Today I'm going to go ahead and take a little video of my project that I made with Edpuzzle. I'm not sure what went wrong and why my link cannot be shared and accessible to everyone. And so what I've done is, after a couple of attempts and spending a lot of time trying to figure out what went wrong and what mistakes I made, I finally have decided to use another technology site called Screenomatic to take a little video presentation of my Edpuzzle project that I tried to share with you before. So essentially I'm using another website technology to fix Edpuzzle's technical difficulties. So my project was based on shapes, and I'm going to go ahead and play the audio for you now. So as you can see, that was is my presentation. It is on shapes. It's the shape song. And then my questions are based on asking the children what is in their house that is a circle. What is in their house that is a square? What can they see or find in their room that is a diamond? I would like the children to either bring them to school for show and tell, or take pictures, or even draw a picture of things that they know that are shapes. Like, for instance, a circle would be a clock. Maybe their bed could be a rectangle. And so I hope you've enjoyed my presentation.